Hello, so I'm back from my trip. I honestly didn't vlog that much. I really haven't seen much of the footage of what I was able to get when I was in LA, or well, we stayed at Seal Beach / Long Beach because we had two different houses that we stayed at because we were a huge group of people. Jonathan and I are gonna go look at some locations that we think would be really cool, either for us to move in, maybe some scouting for a future coffee shop. I haven't had breakfast. Jonathan is about to get off from work, so I think we may just go get something to eat. We're in Denton, getting ready to eat, and it's rainy, but we're going to 940s. I just wanted to vlog right here because I have coverage, and literally here, I did a little photo shoot here once. It was pretty cute. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. I didn't get the best boomerang, but let's see how the coffee tastes now. Why did you just drag your egg out like that? Why? Where's Johnny Boy? Hello, Johnny Boy.
You go here?
It's not right here. We can go in here if you want. Jonathan and I are gonna go watch Jurassic World Fallen City. Is that what it's called?
I have no clue.
I don't know. The new Jurassic Park, Jurassic World movie. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's about to be, like, the movie starts at 7:45, and then after the movie we're probably gonna go home, and that's it. That's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I still have to edit the Laguna Beach, oh god, the LA, California holiday trip, and then I'll edit this one and I'll upload one hopefully by Monday, and then this one should be up the following week. So if it's not up, then that means it took me like 2 years to finally upload it. So,
I'm 34.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys next time. Hopefully the next time you guys see us will either be like in a regular day in the life, or it'll probably be one of like the apartment ones, which I'm really excited about, like actually touring apartments. Sorry, I'm like, wait, you know where we're going, but you do know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys later. Have a good